Hi everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're going to hear about an incredible wallet called Argent, which is actually a wallet that you can use to buy, earn, stake, and actually trade on Ethereum layer 2 with very low fees and bulletproof security. And also you will be able to use your credit card, your bank account, and also Apple Pay in order to do it in the comfort of your mobile phone. So make sure to watch till the end in order to learn how you can actually make passive income while using this wallet. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Argent? So Argent is actually an incredible wallet that making the best of Ethereum with a fraction of the cost. And you can actually buy, earn, stake, and trade on Ethereum layer 2 with very low fees and bulletproof security. And you can actually download the app on the App Store and also on the Google Play. And it's very easy to use, and you can actually earn 5% by staking Ethereum and also earn up to 15% on USDC and DAI. And also, if you want to get started very easily, you can also buy with a card or a bank transfer, and you can actually trade tokens in the app, which is incredible. And it's up to 100% cheaper fees than Ethereum thanks to Zekin's layer 2 network with near instant speed. And if you want to learn more, you will be able to click in here. And in order to get to Argent, you can actually get by clicking the link down below, and you will be able to get started. Now, the beauty about investing and staking and actually earning while you're doing risk management properly, it's absolutely passive income. Like, you literally don't need to do anything from the second that you actually put it on staking, and it's just working for you while you sleep, while you're doing anything else that you want. So it's like a few clicks of a button, you can actually make your money work for you, and you can do it with Argent very easily with your fingers on your phone. And they're actually trusted by crypto leaders like Steny Kolenko, which is the founder and CEO of Aave, and also Vitalik Buterin. Everyone knows that he is the co-founder of Ethereum, and much more. And as I said earlier, you can use a card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay with very low fees. And the beauty is that it's very simple. So even if you're a beginner, you will be able to get started very rapidly in here, and you will be able to learn here a lot, and you will be able to trade tokens for fees that are as low as $1. And you can actually recover your Argent wallet without a paperback, and only you can access the assets, not them and not everyone else. But if you have any questions, you will be able to go to their blog or also to their support in order to actually talk with them. Now, an incredible thing about this project, which is the Argent Vault, and the Argent Vault is actually built for wallets with 50k plus, and Argent wallets are actually giving you the peace of mind with multi-sig security, and there's no seed phrase, which is actually the recovery phrase. And the peace of mind actually comes from the idea that there is no one that can actually get access to it, and it's also thanks to the bulletproof security, and also it's because of the multisig. And if you want to learn what is the multisig, so I will suggest you to click in here on learn, and then you will be able to actually scroll down. And when you will scroll down, you will see that, by the way, they have incredible guides and tutorials about DeFi and about NFTs. And actually, whether if you're a beginner or an advanced, I think it's a great idea to head over to here. So as I said, argent.xyz by clicking the link down below this video, and you will be able to actually learn a lot about how you can actually get started. And the beauty in the multisig, and you will be able to click in here and to read more in details, but the main idea is that you can actually control the assets by using more than one signature, or in other words, you cannot do that with only one signature, which is actually securing your assets. And by the way, you can also read in here about the smart contracts wallet and what is a crypto wallet in general. And also you will be able to learn here about the risks of using DeFi, because when DeFi offers us a very attractive and very high yield opportunities for investors, there are also some risks that you need to be considered. Now, after you will read about the risks, I would totally recommend you to actually go up a little bit, and you will be able to read about the 3 best DeFi insurance decentralized applications, and that way you will be able to protect yourself as much as possible using DeFi, and that way to be able to use all the benefits of actually using it. And in all of this learn section, you will be able to learn about the crypto basics, DeFi, crypto security, Ethereum basics, and NFTs. And in the basic, it's literally from A to Z. So you'll be able to learn what is a blockchain, what is cryptocurrency, what is proof of work, what is proof of stake, what is the differences between those things, what is Ethereum, and what are crypto tokens actually about. And about DeFi, you will be able to actually learn a lot about what is that DeFi. I would totally recommend you also to read an incredible book called Blockchain Revolution, and it will also explain you more in details about blockchain. By the way, it's just a book that I like. And also you will be able to learn how you can actually get started with DeFi, because I know it sounds very, very lucrative, but actually you can even get started with a very low budget and to see if it's for you. And you will be able to also learn about the benefits of DeFi. And also in the crypto security, you will be able to learn what is Wallet Connect and all about the open protocol that enables mobile DeFi, which is actually make everything more efficient. And about Ethereum, you will be able to learn about what is Ethereum all about, and also about what is the layer 2 on Ethereum, and which is actually provides us the ability to enjoy more cheaper fees and faster transactions as Ethereum scales. Now, the fees are actually the gas fees. So let's say that, for example, I transfer 2 Ethereum to someone, so I need to pay also fees for this transactions. And while you'll be able to use layer 2 on Ethereum, so you'll be able to pay much less fees and also faster transactions, and time is money. And also you'll be able to learn about what is the EIP 1556, and that way you will be able to predict fees more efficiently and also to enjoy greater usability and putting your deflationary pressure on Ethereum. And the idea of actually having more predictable fees is not only for your peace of mind that you'll be able to predict it if you're planning your budget for this month, but actually think about it for long term. So if you're like a business owner, so as much more accurate details that you have about your expenses while you're doing those stuff, because actually there are a lot of business owners that are using the smart contracts and stuff like that. So when you actually learn about what you will need to pay and what you need to think in advance and to plan your expenses, it will probably help business owners to be more efficient financially and hopefully make their business succeed much better. Now, about their Argent X. So Argent X is actually an open source browser wallet for StrackNet. And if you want to read more, so you can actually click in here and you will be able to read much more. Also, if you found a bug and you have an idea for improvement, you can actually let them know on their Discord or in GitHub. And also, if you want, you can actually click in here and to open the Argent X. And actually, if you will click on the link that I just clicked in here, so you'll be able to get to here and you will see first of all, the progress, okay, and the first StartNet wallet, and also how you can actually get started, and also what is the account abstraction. And if you want to stay notified and to see also part 2, so make sure to follow them on their social medias. And for example, they have their Twitter link right in here, and you will be able to see that they currently have over 230,000 followers that they are posting very, very frequently in order to make their community stay notified as much as possible. It's also a great sign that this project is not here for 1 year, but is here to stay, because we see here that they are investing for the long term to build a real community, that they will have real foundations, because as you know, it's very, very important to almost any company to have a community online, because it's power, because it's also a place that they can actually let the users know about changes and about sales, and that way they have, like, we'll call it free salesmen, because when you have a community that you're part of, that you're happy from it, so usually you talk about it to other people, and that way they have like free marketing, which is awesome. So for summary, if you want to get started with Argent, make sure to click the link down below in order to get to the website, and you will be able to actually, by clicking on Argent X, to download their wallet to your browser. In a few clicks, you just click in here and then it will go to your Chrome store, and that way you will be able to click on Add on Chrome and you will be able to actually get started as fast as possible. So make sure that if you want to earn up to 15% on USDC and DAO, and earn up to 5% by staking Ethereum, and actually be able to purchase very easily crypto, make sure to go to their website. And if you have any technical questions or any question, make sure to actually go to their blog, read about them a little bit, head over to their support, and also ask on their social media in order to understand what this project is all about and how you can actually use them to your own benefit. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with the cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.